everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Google Lens account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Google application from your Android phone or tablet. Now, tap on your profile picture or your initial at the top right hand corner. Now, tap on Manage your Google account and then swipe towards the Security tab and tap on it. Scroll all the way down. Now under third-party apps with account access, tap on Google Lens. If you don't find Google Lens in the list, tap on Manage Third-Party Access. Scroll down and find Google Lens from the list on the next page. Select Google Lens from the list and then tap on Remove Access. Now in order to add a new account, tap on your profile picture from the main homepage of Google app. Now tap on Manage your Google account and tap on the drop down right under your name at the top and select a different account from the list, or simply tap on Add another account. Enter your email address or your phone number associated with your Google account you'd like to change to and then tap Next. On the next field, type in your password correct and you'll be able to log into your alternative Google account you'd want to change to. That is how you can easily change your Google Lens account in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.